laws in Saskatchewan, Canada. Please note that these laws and regulations may have changed, so it's essential to verify the most up-to-date information from official sources like the Saskatchewan Liquor and Gaming Authority, SLGA, or the Government of Saskatchewan. Legal age. The legal age for purchasing, possessing, and consuming cannabis in Saskatchewan is 19 years old. Purchase and possession limits. Adults, 19 and older, are allowed to possess up to 30 grams of dried cannabis or its equivalent in public. It's also legal to purchase up to 30 grams of dried cannabis or its equivalent at one time. Cannabis retail stores. Licensed private retailers, as well as online sales through the SLGA, are the primary legal sources for purchasing cannabis in Saskatchewan. The province allows private retailers to sell cannabis, subject to licensing regulations. Home cultivation. Adults in Saskatchewan are allowed to cultivate up to 4 cannabis plants per household. However, there are restrictions on the visibility of the plants from public spaces. Consumption restrictions. Cannabis consumption is generally allowed in private residences and certain outdoor spaces, but it's prohibited in vehicles, public places, schools, and workplaces. Driving under the influence. Driving under the influence of cannabis is illegal. Police can conduct roadside sobriety tests and use other means to detect impaired driving. Cannabis and workplace safety. Employers in Saskatchewan have the right to establish policies regarding cannabis use in the workplace. Employees are generally expected not to be impaired at work. Federal regulations. It's important to note that while the legal framework for cannabis in Saskatchewan is provincial, there are also federal regulations in place, such as quality and safety standards for cannabis products.